Hi there, this is Jack Campbell with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm here today to share with you 3 ways to sell an investment property and skip out on a good portion of the capital gains tax. The first one is a 1031 exchange. 1031 refers to the U.S. tax code that allows a homeowner to sell a rental or an investment property and transfer the equity from that one to the next one without incurring a tax. There's a process and an accommodator that handles the transfer of those funds, but it's a very straightforward and a commonly used option. Now, number 2 is a less common option, and this is what we call a DST, or a Delaware Statutory Trust. This does play on the 1031 exchange option, but this is more common with homeowners who have an investment property and they're looking to end their obligation as a landlord and a manager with the property, as well as looking to minimize their risk and exposure with regards to loans or liability. A Delaware Statutory Trust is simply an entity that's been set up for a large-scale investment where that homeowner who sells that rental property can transfer that equity into a smaller position in a large commercial investment. Those investment holdings can range everything from hospitals right down to commercial buildings or even land holdings. And the third one is far more creative. That method is called a charitable trust. And in this particular method, you would sell an investment property and actually transfer those funds into a charitable trust, thereby alleviating a good portion of those taxes, reducing the tax amount that you have to pay to the IRS. Now, the benefit of this is you still would get to control the remaining portion of the assets while they're in the trust, and there's certain benefits that you get as being the trust manager. Now, there is a legacy component with this as well, where you can build in the ability to transfer the value of that asset onto your heirs. This is a great method to use if you don't need the income from the property, but you're looking to pass on the assets. Anyhow, those are 3 great methods that you can use if you're looking to sell your property as your investment property and looking to get to something with either exit real estate completely, or if you're looking to just simply minimize your management obligation and looking for something more like a check in the mail. But we have the resources to direct you to those folks that can help you put these things together. So certainly feel free to reach out to us anytime, and I'd be excited to help. Thanks.